No matter the hardship in Nigeria, may we not eat frog. Oh. Owl, may we not eat frog. Oh. When you find yourself in such situation that you no longer know what to eat, just declare, I'm a choosing this situation. Who are you? Imagine frog, owl. But I'm just wondering, what is the egg used for here? Okay, anyway, this is just enough live frog with a whole lot of egg that can be used to do something meaningful. Sprinkle salt on it Froggy, you will see what she's going to use this froggy to cook. People they chop. People they chop. All thanks to our ancestors for providing something meaningful for us to eat, because I don't understand. And then with this frog,